students, welcome back to the session on plant layout. In the previous sessions, we have already discussed enough information with respect to plant layout, and by now we are much aware of what plant layout is all about and how it has an impact in terms of operations management. So, why it is so important to study with respect to plant layout. So, in previous sessions, we have discussed uh, what is plant layout and how it has an effect in terms of succeeding as manufacturing units. So generally or usually plant layouts would designed or derived in terms of new plant layouts. So what is this revision of plant layout is all about? So we will be discussing today on this session during this session. So revision of plant is all about a modification in an existing plant layout. So we know when the industries are well established with their plant layout, why it is very why we have to revise, or what is the necessity in order to revise the existing plant. So we have three different criterias in which manufacturing units or management would propose in terms of revising the plant layouts. So first reason or the criteria or the condition would be is expansion. So when a management proposes the expansion plan or an expansion strategy with respect to the manufacturing units, at that time revising and restructuring the plant layout is very essential. See, expansion, it could be, if you're not unable to meet the demand of our existing customers, or if you have expansion in terms of product, if you want to be flexible enough in term in order to introduce a new product, or if you want to be diversified with respect to the product lines being produced. So during these are the reasons, main reasons, which would promote, or which in such cases the necessity of revising the plant layouts are very important. So revision of plant is nothing but the restructuring or modifying the existing plant locations. It could be any of the criteria which we are going through right now. So first one is an expansion. Expansion is a case when companies would propose an expansion of locations, or sorry, expansion of layouts in the three different criterias. So one is when as we manufacturing industries are unable to meet the demand of our products, and if we have a plan in terms of introducing a new product, or if we have a proposal in order to diversify the products. So such cases the expansions are proposed. So when we are expanding the business or say manufacturing units, the revision or the restructuring or modifying the plant layout is very important. So we have to look into that. So moving ahead, we have a second criteria or conditions with respect to technological advancements. So new products. See, nowadays technological advancements has become a crucial part of any manufacturing industries. So thanks to industrial research for that. So we have new products, new uses of existing products and materials, new machineries and new sources of energy have been and are being discovered. So industrial research is an insurance against the obsolescence of product. So process are plant layouts. Some of technological advance are Some of technological advances are replacements of labor by machines, developments in fuel, in energy, developments in process, developments in materials, and improvements in product designs. So such technological advances promotes or proposes the revision or the restructuring with respect to plant layout. So let's move ahead and see another reason why we have to revise our plant layout. So if we see any improvement or improving the layout, so if we see any loopholes or any errors with the current layout, or if we are not able to succeed as a manufacturing units, so in order to focus such improvements, the revision is quite important. See, in the earlier time or at the establishment of during the establishment of such layouts, there would be some lapse by an engineers with respect to the designs of plant layout. Such can be improvised in future dates. So this could be an evils for any of the manufacturing units. So such improvements are mandated with respect to improve the product production process. So this was all about the revision of plant layout. So and these are the three criterias where any manufacturing would propose in terms of revision of the plant layout.